guys, today's video is a little bit different. I have seen all over TikTok, all over social media, Instagram, pretty much everywhere. Everyone is in their whimsical era. And as someone who is a self-proclaimed romanticizing everything about life girly, I wanted to hop on this bandwagon because me and whimsy, yeah, we go together real bad. So I figured this week we could really be intentional with giving ourselves something to look forward to every single day. And I was trying to brainstorm, like, what are some fun things that I could do this week that would have me looking forward to the end of the workday. So I figured today we could listen to an album from start to finish. Beyonce was right. No one listens to albums anymore. No one's trying to consume a body of work. But we are today. We're going to listen to an album from start to finish. And after each song, I'll write a little review, rate it out of 5 stars. And then at the end, I'll give my review of the entire album. It's just something fun, just straight vibes. The album we're gonna listen to today, it's by Childish Gambino. What is the album called? It's called Awaken My Love. I know these songs. This isn't like a brand new album for me, but I've never listened to it all the way through from start to finish. So I have my little notebook here. I'm gonna write down some of the songs. You have to let me know if like this inspires you. Okay, you guys, I just finished listening to the album. I listened to all 11 songs. It was pretty small, and I wrote down like just thoughts that I had while listening to it. And then I rated each song out of 5 hearts. 5 is the highest you could get. There were a few that got 5 stars out of me, a few that got 4. I think the lowest was 2, but that's okay. I feel like it's, you know how it is when you listen to an album, you kind of have to listen to it a couple times through to see like how you actually feel about the songs. But I really like this. This was fun. I definitely want to do this again. I have to think like, what album should I do next? I quoted some of the lyrics that stood out to me, and this was just really fun. It was a good listen, something to do again instead of scrolling. Okay, I listened to an album and reviewed it with no credentials, but just for fun. Okay, this was just something enjoyable and I loved it. I'm gonna rate this album a 4 out of 5, but you know how it is, the more you listen to it, I could rate it higher, but definitely a 4. There were so many songs where I was like, wow, I cannot believe this album is 10 years old. And I haven't heard any of them, and I think I found some new favorite songs. So loved this. Day 1, definitely a success. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Today is day 2. Today is day 2 of doing things every single day this week that are just fun. Okay, things that have me looking forward to them after I finish up all my work. And today, is it the right way? This way. Today we are putting together a Lego set. You guys, this is so cute. Rob and Archie have put together a couple Lego sets for me that are flowers. So I have some downstairs. I think they're downstairs, but I wanted to do my own. I wanted to just put this together. I think this is so cute. Look how they have it in the vase. Like, okay, it's Lego, but it's not too Lego-y. You know what I mean? So I thought that this would be so pretty in a vase and something fun to do that I can display and have out. I mean, I love flowers, clearly. girly. So this is gonna fit the vibe perfect, like the pink and white. So cute. There are 435 pieces. So we're gonna put this together and watch a movie. I don't know what I can really show on here and not get copyright. Yeah, hopefully this can give you some inspo. Let's get started making our magnolia branches. Okay, let's put together a Lego set. I'm obsessed with this. I like this vase with the flowers so much. The pinks, the yellows, like this is so cute. This was so much fun. 10 out of 10. So we're gonna put it here in my office. I'm starting to build a little like Lego flower collection, which I think is just so cute. So I'm gonna put this one right here, of course, like I have to. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like I can't. And then, okay, so I'll give you a little tour. So this shelf here in my office, we obviously have this one that I just made. Rob made this one. I don't remember for what. Like, I don't know if it was for like Mother's Day or my birthday or something. Or maybe he just made it. I don't even know if this was even a gift, but he made me this one. Like he put this one together for me, and then him and RG put these together. They're like individual. I don't even know what flower this would be, if this would be a hyacinth or I'm not really sure. Not really sure what this one is, but love her. So I'm kind of building a little collection here with Lego flowers, Lego pink flowers. This might become my new thing. I might do this like, I don't know, like once a month. I don't want to get like too crazy and be like, I'm doing this every weekend. Like once a month, like maybe with the seasons, like every new season, get a new one. I think it'd be really cute. I love this. I'm so happy with this. I would say that this after work, something to look forward to, was a 10 out of 10. Movie, 10 out of 10. Flowers, 10 out of 10. Like what more could a girl ask for? I love this. Okay guys, it is day 4. Are we on day 4? I'm pretty sure we're on day 4 of romanticizing after work, life after work, having something to look forward to at the end of the day. And today we are going to be coloring. Now, normally I like to color in my little coloring books with marker, get creative, pick the colors myself, add little accents, add highlights, shadows, make it look super cute and aesthetic. But today, mama is tired, okay? So I'm gonna put on a YouTube video of someone else coloring. It's almost like a little tutorial of someone else picking out the markers, picking out the colors, because they just cannot be bothered. I don't wanna think. I want someone else to tell me, use this blue, and I'm just in a meditative state using that blue. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm about to pop up a YouTube video on the TV. I have my little desk set up. You're gonna see super cute, super easy, and it's also very nostalgic. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I got my little setup going, and hold on, let me bring you all along. I looked it up on YouTube, and the thing about, hold on, let me get right. The thing about doing this is you have to literally look up your coloring book and doing it with the person on the screen. So you can't just, I mean, I guess you could do a random coloring book, but this is my coloring book. I have this one. It's by xoxo, Comfy Days, Cute and Comfy Coloring Book. So I typed this into search, and she's gonna be coloring out of the same book. And this is the page that we're coloring today. So it's a little frog out the window, super cute. So let's get into it. Let me show you my setup here, you guys. I have this like rolling desk situation, and then I have my markers. So these markers are alcohol
alcohol markers. They're by the brand xoxo. I can't take myself serious. Okay, so these are the markers. I got them, I think, for my birthday or Christmas one year. I can't remember which one. Shout out to Rob. Thank you, Rob. And then, yeah, so we have our coloring book page. We have it pulled up on YouTube. This is just fun. This is fun. This is cute. It's lighthearted. So let's get into it. Now, let's do it. What she got? Y050. Y050. Wait, I don't have that one. Where is that? Y0. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, let's do it. What are we coloring? Summer lemons. Well, I could pause it. Pretty much doing all. Wait a minute. We're blending. Okay, this is different. And this yellow in the middle. Oh, mine don't look like that. Oh, no. Okay, we're going to have to double fist it. Why is mine not looking like that? This is on some new. Yeah, this is what she got us on. I'm sorry, but this is so incredibly cute. Like, what? That is so cute. This was so easy. And because she was picking out the colors, I didn't have to overthink it. It was just pretty much done for me. I just had to follow along. So cute. I'm gonna link all my markers and my coloring books. This is adorable. Okay, guys, it is day 3 of trying to do things every day, giving myself things to look forward to that are fun, that are enjoyable, that make life special and romanticize things. Today, we're going to Sephora. We're going to Sephora and probably Ulta. I want to get a new lip combo. It's a new season. It's spring. I've been in my very pink era. So I want to get like a little pink lip combo going on. We're gonna go to Sephora, see what we can come up with. We're gonna go to Ulta probably as well, maybe a couple drugstores, we'll see. And then come home, test out the lippies and see if we can create a new spring lip combo. I'm very excited for this.
guys, hold on, let me get set up. All right, you guys, we are back from Sephora, Ulta, and I also got some PR in the mail. So I figured we'd definitely be able to put together a lip combo. I already filmed this for TikTok. I like swatched different colors and everything. So let's get into it. I kind of am like a little bit familiar now with all of the shades, so I can walk you all through this. It'll be a lot smoother for you guys, okay? So basically, I got these two Fenty glosses that I want to put on top no matter what, because these are absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is definitely giving spring vibes. Like, it's giving Barbie. It's everything that I wanted it to give. We also have a Morphe lip liner. It's in the shade Trendsetter. It is this one right here. This brown right here is this lip liner. I played around with a couple versions. Also, I'm returning this. This lip liner from Makeup Forever. It's in the shade Limitless Brown. I love a brown lip liner and then going in with like a pink or a nude. It's this one right here. It has some glitters in it, which I don't love. And also it's crumbly. Like, every time I go to swipe it, it like crumbles and mushes around. I'm like, what is that? But these lip liners from L'Oreal, it's fuller looking lips without the filler. You guys, these are good. They're nice and creamy, and like, they're not so harsh. Like, they're very skin tone, I guess, depending on really on which one you go for, but I went for Mocha Mousse, and I also swatched this one, Brown Caramel, and they're really nice. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Actually, should I use a different one? No, I'm gonna go in with this one. I really liked this. So again, this is Mocha Mousse, and it doesn't look like much, okay? Like, it kind of just looks like my skin tone, which is kind of the point. Like, I went in with that, and then we're gonna go in with this. It looks so red on camera. I promise you, it is not that red. It's just straight up pink. Like, this is K-pop. This is in the color K-pop pink. It's a lip tint. It looks so red. I hate that the color is not accurate because it's so cute on. Like, it looks like you just had a popsicle. And then we're gonna go in with this one, this light pink Fenty lip gloss. I swatched the other one. It's a little bit more like a darker hot pink, but I just wanted like a clear, not clear, but like a soft frosted pink to go on top. This is such a cute lip combo. Like, I think this is adorable. I don't know if it's picking up on camera just how cute and pink and girly and like princess this is. I absolutely love it. I would say that this was a success. While I was shopping, I also picked up a lipstick. It's a MAC lipstick in the shade Creme in Your Coffee. It's this one right here. Very neutral, very like My Lips but better. That's what I went with. I will link all these things down below. We're gonna go to Ulta anyway. We're gonna go to Sephora anyway. Like, we're gonna shop for makeup. So we might as well give ourselves like a task. Like, this was fun to be like, okay, let's go in for this specific reason. So this was a lot of fun. I'm obsessed with the lip combo.